Today I'm showing you how to make this really easy and super delicious classic stuffing recipe. Now this is my take on a classic stuffing for Thanksgiving or whatever holiday dish you want to serve it with, and I love to turn it up by using sourdough and infusing stock with all of the flavors we put into it. You'll notice this is a pretty basic recipe. My steps may be just a little bit different, and if you want to try it, the recipe is in the description, so don't you worry, you're gonna love this recipe.
We're gonna start off with unsalted butter in a large skillet. You want to heat it till it's bubbling and then add in some chopped yellow onion and celery. We're going to stir that for a couple minutes, add in some salt, pepper, and then fresh herbs. I'm going classic. I have fresh thyme, fresh sage, and fresh parsley, all finely chopped. We're going to cook those and stir for another 5 minutes or so, and then add in a quart of whatever stock you prefer. I use chicken. If you want to use vegetable, that's fine too. I have 2 1-pound loaves of good quality sourdough bread. Use whatever kind of bread you like, just use a good quality one. 2 loaves of that in a 9 by 13 inch dish that has been buttered, pouring over all of that infused stock, stirring so that all the bread soaks it up and that everything is nicely dispersed. You want to bake it at 350 for about 30 minutes or until nice and golden brown on top, and it is absolutely delicious.
Now this is really easy for a really classic Thanksgiving or holiday side dish. So I would love if you guys checked this recipe out because it is really good. And again, the quality of the bread is everything in this, and just using a lot of good herbs is really all you need to do. Again, the recipe is in the description along with links to my other social media. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, leave me some comments, and of course hit that subscribe button. I hope you guys have a great holiday season. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you next time.